And it's Bonnie. Happy Thursday! I am back. Oh my gosh. I went to the mall. I went to Bath and Body Works. I've got a lot of new news for you regarding the Candle Day event, which starts tonight online at 10 p.m. I feel like I have a better handle on what I want. So I went into the store. There was nobody there because the candles are full price. And I was able to see a lot of the setups. They have a lot of the candles out, but they still have a lot of them that are not out. So I'm actually going to put up a little point of view video that I took so you can kind of see what's happening in the store. Okay, so this is what it looks like when you walk into the White Barn, and they have a lot of these winter candles like lavender pine, winter, and then we move over to the walls. As you can see, the walls are really stocked. Hot cocoa and cream, vanilla bean Noel. Right here, as you can see, they were starting to put out some of the new stuff, like the cinnamon, the vanilla, the lemon. All of these candles are starting to arrive and show up. And then here's another wall. I just kind of wanted to give you an idea of how many candles are showing up for Candle Day because it's a lot. So as you can see, Bath and Body Works stores are getting ready. It's something they start to do early on Thursday usually because there's no way the associates could get the entire store set like in one night. That's a lot of work. There's a lot of candles. So they're starting to set a lot of the Christmas stuff, like the hot cocoa and cream. I saw a lot of candles. Vanilla bean Noel, winter candy apple. My store was actually really well stocked and ready to go. The fancy lid candles, magic in the air with that flat lid with the snowflake, Moonlit Goddess, and then the two with the bow, that these are online exclusives, I believe. Iced Winter Balsam, and I can't remember what the other one was, but these have the gold bow. I am hearing that Moonlit Goddess and Magic in the Air will be included in Candle Day, because I wasn't sure. I was like, I don't know. We don't know about the bow ones yet, because those were online, but the other ones should be included. What's not included, I was correct, are the ceramic. These could be half off, though. So if you're looking for ceramic, you still might be able to get it for a little bit of a deal. But my guess is that the Magic in the Air and the Moonlit Goddess are going to fly off the shelves because everyone's going to want that special lid. I got to add those to my Candle Day wish list. I also saw on the shelf candles like vanilla Peppermint. So I'm going to tell you what I smelled next. By the way, my store has a ton of milk. I was surprised. They must have gotten a second order of the milk bar stuff because let me tell you, loaded up with peppermint bark. I mean, an entire table. So, yeah, I'm hoping that, you know, a lot of people can get what they want. Let me go over to vanilla Peppermint. Oh, see, lemon. This is what the jars look like for like the lemon, the lavender, vanilla Peppermint. There it is. I saw it. Vanilla Peppermint. Black tie. Those were on the shelf. Vanilla Peppermint was cooling buttermint, comforting vanilla, and soft sugar. It smelled really good. I'll have to say, it did smell like a buttermint. I mean, like a creamy, nice peppermint buttermint, the ones you get at the weddings. So that was exciting. Oh my gosh. So the next piece of the puzzle is they did not have the pizza and ranch. I could not smell those. Those were not on the floor for smelling. I'm hearing the pizza and ranch does not smell that appealing. We shall see. The one candle that I was able to see was the Neapolitan ice cream. Oh my gosh. It is so good. It's the perfect blend of strawberry and vanilla with like a light Nestle chocolate in it. And it has a rubber lid. I don't know if a lot of people know about the lids, but they're really cool. So it's like a rubber lid and it doesn't just sit on top. It like attaches itself so it's harder to pull off. Oh my gosh. So my collection at the moment that I want, like front and center, number one is the Sunday Fun Day collection. The butterscotch, the hot fudge, the glazed cherry, all of them have these rubber lids. So what I've decided to do, and I've kind of been debating on my strategy, I'm going to get there tomorrow, probably like about 9 or 10. I cannot get up at 5 in the morning. That is not what I do. Like, there's no way I'm getting up at 5 in the morning. So I'm going to order tonight the entire Sunday Fun Day collection. That's going to be my online order. And then I'm going to go to the store, and if they have them in the store available still, I'm going to get a second set, because I want 2 sets of those, because I might gift a couple off. I know my mother-in-law would love those. So my game plan has changed a little bit. Okay, I did get to smell Christmas Road Trip. It's good. It's a nice, like, woodsy, outdoorsy scent. Not too heavy on the pine, but it smelled good. I liked it. Rum Rum Reindeer is a pineapple with, like, a bit of bourbon. Smelled great. I really liked that one. Oh, I smelled the Holiday Delight pickle. It's good. It's actually a pickle, but it smells really good. It doesn't smell anything like the body care. Like, this is briny. The dill pickle candle, which comes in pink and green, actually smelled really good. I'm getting the pink and the green one. Oh, I smelled Paris Cafe. Oh, it's so good to be back. Black tie, which smelled a little better to me this year than usual. I might get a black tie. What else did I smell that was kind of new? Yes, thumbs up. What else did I smell? Oh, the lavender is good. The lemon. You know, those are just typical lemon. But I was really excited. Oh, I know what I smelled. I smelled Snow Day. Oh my gosh, it's like a vanilla mint pine scent. Oh my gosh, it's incredible. Wait, I've been diligently working on my blog. All of my links do link to my Shop My, so I do earn a small commission if you click on my links on my blog, which I appreciate. But I do have the scent notes. I'm updating this like as we go, so you guys can just have one document to look at scent notes. Snow Day is spruce branches, peppermint, and sweet vanilla. But then there is marshmallow peppermint, which is a peppermint marshmallow, which is crushed peppermint, fluffy marshmallow, and powdered sugar. So we have 3 kind of like peppermint mint. Vanilla buttermint, which is more like a buttery mint that you get at the wedding. We have the Snow Day, which is more of a like piney mint vanilla, and then we have peppermint marshmallow, which is peppermint and marshmallow. All 3 are amazing. Oh my gosh, I was so excited to smell Snow Day. I didn't get a big tea today. Oh my gosh. So I have been running around like crazy, looking at everything. By the way, Kringle Candle has just launched these candles today. Lenny has 3. He's starting to burn them. I'm starting to burn them. Goose Creek Candle Day starts today. I want to do a video about Goose Creek Candle Day because they're doing a really good job. I just feel like there's a lot happening. So I wanted to give you guys an update about my store visit, which was really good. I want to get together live tonight. I don't know what time it's going to be. You know me, I'm a little bit more spontaneous, so I'll probably eat dinner with the family and then try to get something going for tonight. I kind of want the live to be a little bit later if I can, maybe, because I want to be on when maybe it goes live, because I want to see if there's any trouble. Like, I don't know if the website's going to be problematic. Like, we don't know a lot of things. I did do a poll, which I thought was interesting. So I love doing polls. So let me go to my post here. Okay. So I did a poll. It said, what candle sounds the best? And almost 1,000 people voted. Coffee and Donuts was the winner at 83%. Popcorn and Slushy was number 2 at 13%. And then Chips and Salsa and Pizza and Ranch each got 2%. Honestly, I think a lot of people are kind of questioning why Bath & Body Works would want to put out foul-smelling candles. And that's been a lot of comments people have gotten. Like, if you're gonna, like, produce a candle, why do something that's so like weird? I don't know. So I gotta smell it. We'll see. I also did a poll that says, how many candles are you going to buy? And over 650 people voted. 81% are in the 1 to 10 range, which totally makes sense. I feel like that is probably, I mean, that's what Lenny's getting. Lenny's getting like 8 to 10. The 11 to 25 range is 15%. That's where I am. And I get more because I'm reviewing. So that makes sense to me. And then 26 to 100, 3%. Over 1% of people are getting over 100. I'm like, boy, that's a lot of candles. Good for you. A lot of people just basically said, you know, they want to stick to the 1 to 5. And that's what I love about Candle Day, because, you know, you can get 5 candles. That's a perfectly wonderful amount to get. I think the hard part is just deciding what 5 to get, because there's so many good ones. Again, the fall stuff, we had a big table in our store of fall. So I was surprised, because in past years that has not happened. The fall was not very prevalent. Online, there's like all kinds of candles from all year. I'm like, wait a minute, like where did these come from? Halloween, spring? So if, you know, Vintage Memories was your favorite, you are in luck, because now you can get Vintage Memories. So my advice to all of you right now is to like go on the website and look and see what's happening, because it gets hard a little bit when 10 o'clock you're like, oh my gosh, what am I gonna buy? I don't know if we can preload our carts, or if they're going to empty the cart. I don't think there's a queue this year, so we'll see. But I think it's gonna be a fun and exciting Candle Day. I feel like a lot of people are waiting for Body Care Day, and I feel like a lot of people are waiting it out for semi-annual sale, because you're going to be able to get like those $6 candles at semi-annual sale. So I think a lot of people are saying, you know what, I'm going to wait for semi-annual, which makes total sense. So anyway, there's where we're at, you guys, for Candle Day. I'm going to do a Goose Creek video next. We're going to talk about Goose Creek Candle Day. There's a lot happening today. Anyway, thank you as always for watching, and I'll see you guys soon. Bye-bye.